Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change your Roblox location in 2023. Now, you can't change your location in Roblox from within the app itself. However, I'm gonna show you a workaround. So basically we wanna go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on what device you use. And here we're going to search for VPN. Now, I recommend using Turbo VPN. You can see it right here, the second option. So click on Turbo VPN and basically we wanna install this VPN. It's free. So I'm gonna come back in a few seconds when this is done installing. Okay, so it has been officially installed, so we can click on open, and this is what it looks like. We wanna click on agree and continue and give it some time to set this up. Now, we don't wanna start a free trial. We have to click on the X cross at the top left corner. All right, and from here, as you can see, we haven't enabled any free premium trial. We want to click on the three lines in the top left corner, and here we can go through the server list. So depending on which location you want to play Roblox from, as you can see, we have different servers. Now, if it has a little crown, that means that it's a premium feature and we can't use this. However, if it doesn't have a crown, we can just click on it and it will connect us to it. So let's say we choose some server, for example, here in the United States, we can do Miami. So you click on it and then we click on OK, and this will connect us to the Miami server, and that's how we change our location on Roblox in 2023. Now, I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and sub. This is it really. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.